how to keep your phone unlocked while you are near a trusted devices on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down, and then in here, tap on lock screen and AOD. Next, we scroll down and tap on extend unlock. Now put in your current PIN or password and then tap on continued. Next, go down and tap on trusted devices. Then tap on add trusted device. Now from the list, choose a device that you want to add. If you have a device but it's not showing in the list here, tap on pair new device. In here, you'll be able to connect to another Bluetooth device, such as your car system, your smartwatch, or your earphone, earbuds. So if depending on what you have, you want to pair it first. Once you pair it with your Bluetooth, and then we tap on back, it should show the available device up here. So then you tap on that. Now I said here, I cannot connect with this one here. So I'm going to try it again, or maybe I need to make it active. So I'm going to open it to make sure it is active. If you can't add the device, you want to go and double check on your Bluetooth settings page. So go and check your Bluetooth and make sure it is connected. Once they are connected, you can try again. And you can see as soon as I turn on or open the case, the earbuds becomes active and connected to my phone. Then now I can add it as a trusted device. And that's it. And from now on, the device should stay unlocked as long as both of the devices are close to each other. So here it shows extend unlock. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.